Hello guys and welcome to the first episode of the Big Bang Crypto. I decided to create this channel because a lot of people are spreading wrong information, and I want you all to get the information you need to make the right decisions and make the most profit. So let's get straight into it. The first question is, should I invest? Well, this is no financial advice, but I answered this question for myself with a hell yes. And I'll tell you why. If you followed the news, you will have seen that the big players are coming, guys. They are coming to buy as many seats as possible in this boat. And this boat has only 21 million seats. And over 17 million of these seats have already been bought up. So this means that there are only 4 million seats left. And when you imagine that there are over 2 billion people that one day will come to buy one of those seats, well, this will get a real big fight, guys. So I want to be part of the smart money, getting one of those seats right now before it's too late. And if you want to know if from a technical point of view the bull market has started, then I recommend watching Bob Lucas' channel, because there he proves that Bitcoin is one of those assets that moves in a 4-year cycle. So that means we have 3 years of a bullish movement followed by 1 year of a bearish movement. And this year, the next cycle started, so right now we can expect 3 years of a bullish movement. And when we look what Bitcoin is doing right now, then I think that proves this theory. And please don't make the mistake to compare this bull market to the last bull market, because a lot of things changed. And like I said, the big players are now in. So the Bitcoin price will move in a way we've never seen before. And the question, how much should I invest? Well, my opinion, 100% now of the money that you can afford to lose, or 70% now and 30% when the price drops 30% or more. And the reason why I say 100% now is because if you're one of those who are waiting for a drop to come, well guys, then you can miss the chance to make a lot of gains, because no one knows when this drop will come. And when you look at this strength of the trend that Bitcoin is showing right now, then I think that the drop is not likely right now. Okay? The drop will come at some point, but I don't think now. So what could happen is that Bitcoin reaches the all-time high, $20,000, and then falls to $15,000, and you miss the chance to buy in at $10,000 or $11,000. So please think good about this. So the question, when will the price drop? Well guys, nobody knows except you are Doctor Strange from the Avengers. So, and I don't think you are. I'm not either. So I recommend taking a look at the whole picture, because right now many people are focusing on this part of the chart. The only thing they see is the bottom somewhere around $3,000 and this movement to the upside. And they think, oh man, let's wait. I think Bitcoin could fall down to 6,000, 4,000, even $2,000, and then I buy in. Well, there is a probability that Bitcoin falls down to these levels, but this probability is getting lower and lower every day. Like I said, Bitcoin is showing us a very strong trend right now. And look at this. I mean, I made this screenshot when Bitcoin was somewhere around $9,800, and this was yesterday. And today we are talking about a Bitcoin price over $11,000. So you see, Bitcoin can make $1,000 a day. All right, so don't make this mistake, guys, and take a look at the whole picture. Then you see that we are already in this drop. Okay, so why are you waiting for another drop to come when we already are in a big drop? Don't make this mistake, guys. Okay. And when we take a look at the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is a very useful tool, please don't use these 1,000 tools out there so that at the end you have spaghetti on your charts. Use this kind of tools, the Fibonacci retracement tools, um, is nearly every time correct. And as you can see, when everybody was asking where is the bottom, where is the bottom, well, guys, you know what? I made this. I saw that the 61% level, which is a very important Fibonacci level, has been broken, and I decided to invest at this point a big part of my money that I can afford to lose, and then I waited to see if Bitcoin could even go lower than that, and at the end I bought somewhere around $4,000, and now today I can say I made already huge gains, where considering that Bitcoin is right now somewhere around $11,000. So don't make that mistake to wait for the drop. And a very important thing that I want to show you again is from Bob Lucas. He expects Bitcoin to reach $200,000 in the next all-time high. All right, $200,000. So that means when Bitcoin reaches 100,000 or $200,000, guys, no one is interested in hearing somebody saying, I bought at 3,000 or I bought at 6,000. That doesn't interest, because when Bitcoin reaches $200,000, your pockets are full of money. Okay? So let's move on. Well, if you want to know what Bitcoin will do in the next days, well, again, the Fibonacci retracement tool gives us the chance to be some kind of a little Doctor Strange. So when we use this tool, we can see that the 61% level is around $13,500, and that means there is a high probability that Bitcoin will go up there. So today we can see that Bitcoin is now falling a little bit down after it reached the $11,200 mark. And you know what? When you look at this chart, you see that the $11,200 mark is somewhere around here. Well, this is also an important Fibonacci level. So that means that there was a probability that Bitcoin could reach this level and fall down. And this is exactly what we are seeing right now. Let's take a look at the live chart, and you can see I used the Fibonacci retracement tool to look what is happening right now, and you see from this bottom to the point where Bitcoin started to fall down, you can see Bitcoin fell all the way down to the 61% level and then bounced up and is now showing us some kind of a consolidation like it did back then after this big move. Okay, but important, guys, the 61% level works again at this point, and I want you to focus on a very important thing. Bitcoin fell all the way down, and what happened? This dip has been bought up in seconds. All right, so I think that there's a high probability that a lot of people miss these dips because so many people are waiting for them to come that they will be bought up in seconds, like we have seen here. And the next thing I want to show you is a quick look at the Cardano chart, because I think right here we also have important informations for some gains that we can make. So let's take a look at this, guys. No, here something is wrong. Ah, it's here, sorry. So when you take a look at this chart, guys, you see that Cardano has been building a huge head and shoulders reversal pattern over the last months, beginning somewhere around the October of last year. And this is a bullish pattern. And when such a pattern is built in months, then it is a very strong pattern. So what this means is that if Cardano can break this resistance line, this neckline, somewhere around 9.5 cents, then there is a high probability that we will get a nice gain when you take this height. Um, uh, when we say that this is one shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, then we take this height and then we can put this height to the point of a breakout. And as you can see, there is a high probability that we will reach something around 15 cent, which would mean we make over 50% of gains. So what I will do is take a close look if Cardano can break this resistance level, come over the 10-cent level, hold it, and then I will invest a little bit of my Bitcoin into Cardano to make some extra gains. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that this channel can grow. And I really want to help everybody out there to make the most profit. And please write in the comments what you think about this first video, and if you have found something that I could change, please write it in the comments, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention, and have a nice day.